Good day everyone, I am Janalyn Tibudcan from Group 7 and today's presentation I'll be discussing the importance of intellectual property or IP. In the field of information technology, in this presentation, I'll explain why IP is important in the IT industry, how IP and law regulations are applied, and how individuals, organizations can protect their creations in the digital area.
My name is Alina Daniel Aquino. I'm a member of Group 7, and I present to you today is all about the importance of intellectual property in IT industry. Intellectual property is any creation of the mind, such as invention, software, apps, logos, music, or written work that deserve legal protection. In IT industry, IP plays a major role because almost everything we create involves innovation and originality. Examples include software application, mobile games, website design, and even artificial intelligence models. Protecting intellectual property is essential because it prevents others from stealing or copying your ideas and work, encourages innovation by rewarding creativity, and ensures fairness in business and competition. For example, when a programmer develops a new app, copyright protection ensures that no one else can claim it or sell it without permission.
Good day everyone, my name is Mary Jane Dagiba from Group 7. I will presenting the importance of application of IP laws and regulation in IT. There are several laws and types of protection related of IP that apply to IT. Copyright protects creative works like software code, website layout, or digital contents. Example, copying another developer's code without credit is a copyright violation. Patent protects new inventions or unique software algorithms. Example, the Apple logo and Google name are protected by trademark laws. In real-world IT scenarios, IP laws are applied to stop issues such as software privacy or using paid software illegally, plagiarism, or copying someone's digital work without credit, and patent infringement where a company uses another's inventions without authorization. These laws make sure that innovators are recognized and rewarded for their work.
Good day everyone, my name is Jolancio Asuncion. I will be explaining the protecting intellectual property in digital era. Today, protecting intellectual property is more important than ever because everything is shared online. Here are some effective ways to protect IP. Register your works, whether it's through copyright, trademark, or patent office. Use license, for example, software developers can add license agreement to limit how their software can be used. Apply digital protection like watermark, encryption, or serial kills prevent illegal copying. Monitor online platforms to check if your content or apps is being used without permission. Educate others about respecting digital ownership and avoiding privacy. Big tech companies like Microsoft and Adobe protect their product using license and activation system to prevent software privacy.
Good day everyone, my name is Crystal Rudy Libao from BSIT and we conclude intellectual property protection is vital in the IT industry. It safeguards creativity, supports fair competition, and encourages innovation. As a future IT professionals, it's our responsibility to respect and protect intellectual property, not only to secure our own work, but also to uphold ethics and professionalism in technology.